controllers. So the difference between the Elite Series 1 and the Elite Series 2 is that the Series 2 has a built-in rechargeable battery, which is huge. It's got better grips in my opinion. It's a little bit lighter, and this is a customized version of the Series 2, by the way. And it is Bluetooth enabled, which is really, really important. So why do you need Bluetooth? So one thing you should be thinking about whenever you're purchasing your controller is Bluetooth will allow you to use that controller on anything, right? So you won't just have to use it on your PC, you won't just have to use it on your Xbox. If you can use Bluetooth with your controller, you can use it on your mobile phone, on your iPad, and on any computer of any description ever, right? Which is absolutely fantastic. So the old Generation 1 Xbox Elite controller does not have Bluetooth. And the new Xbox Elite Series 2 does have Bluetooth. So if there's any universe where you think you may want to play a mobile game or an iPad game or something of that description with a Bluetooth controller, this is literally the most premium controller to ever exist. I mean, just look how gorgeous this one is. I mean, this one's wood, but you can take the buttons off, as you can see here, and you can replace them with a whole set of buttons that comes with the controller, which is amazing, these control sticks. You can also pop the D-pad off, which is absolutely incredible. So you can do the old school cross style D-pad, and they also have new school style D-pads. I enjoy the old cross style because I'm an old school Nintendo gamer, and I remember these old cross styles. But the Xbox Elite Series 1 controllers are still available on Amazon, and they're still fantastic controllers. I would say, even though they're not quite as good as the Series 2 controllers, they are, I would say, the second best controller on Earth, behind only the Series 2 controllers. And the one advantage that these controllers have, in my opinion, is that they're much larger and heavier and hunkier in your hands. So if you're like me and you have giant hands and you have an issue with a lot of controllers, even like I have issue with DualSense controller, I like having a giant freaking controller in my hands, and the Xbox Series 1 feels heavier, especially if you get the right rechargeable batteries to put in the back of it. It adds a lot of weight. So that's going to be up to you, what your decision is going to be between the Xbox Series Elite Series 1 and the Xbox Elite Series 2 controllers, and you can decide which one is better. But I would tell you that if you're a console gamer and you're playing all the time, these controllers are literally the most premium controller experience I've ever had. In fact, let's just go right now, and I'm just going to play with it. And we're just going to play a couple games here, play a little bit of Cyberpunk 2077 with the Xbox Elite Series 2, and just go ahead and kick it around a little bit and ride on our motorcycle and have a little bit of time in Night City. Cool? Sound good? Awesome. Hope you guys are doing well today. You guys can ask me any questions that you have of any description about technology, whether that be webcams, microphones, lights, you name it. And I'm going to be going over everything in my studio today. I'm going to be going over all of it. Capture cards as well, computers, laptops, you name it. We're going to go over every bit of creator technology that you could ever want to know more about. And today, hopefully, you'll learn what the best items are to buy, and also what the items are to avoid in terms of creator tech. And I'm hoping to help you make better purchasing decisions when it comes to what you're looking to buy, if you're looking to be a gaming content creator or you're just a gamer yourself shopping on Amazon. That's what I'm here to do.